Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive gym website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. So definitely try to build this project. The entire project is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And we have used the JavaScript library for smooth animation. And uh, we have used all the main styles that we can use from the CSS, and you can see very smooth transition effect as well. And now let's go to each and every page. This is the home page. You can see we have a down arrow button which is with an infinity loop which will move continuously downside, showing us to move downside. So now when we click on it, we can go to the next slide. You can see how neatly we have aligned each section and the smooth transition effect. Then here we have added a function here. Whenever we open this button, we will get a full view of the text that is below it. You can do it for the rest of also. And you can see the hover effect on the button, very smooth transition, and the background color also changes. We can go to the next section. You can see here the smooth transition as well as how we have aligned them perfectly. Then we can go to the next one, that is the start your training today. You can see the hover effect and the smooth transition effect, and you can see here we have created a table by using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript here. By using the HTML table, and we have used the CSS to make it look like this, and you can see how neatly they have all been aligned. And this is the workout gallery. You can see whenever you hover onto it, the original color of the image will appear, and you can see this is the gray shadow effect that we have used. And whenever we remove it, when we will be able to see the original image. Then we can see the packages that we have available in the gym section. You can see how neatly and perfectly we have aligned every data at exactly the center, and the join now button, as well as you can see the form element to give any email message information to the gym owners, as well as we have integrated the social media icons. And you can see the hover effect giving a very good professional gym website. It is entirely made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And now let's see the menu bar. You can see here by clicking on this we are getting the menu bar and a very smooth transition effect. And you can see how smoothly we are moving from one section to another section. It is very important that in any website that we are building, we should have a very proper navigation system. You can see how neatly we have aligned, and each and every section we have given in the navigation bar. It is very important, and the entire website is responsive. Let me show you the mobile as well as the tab version. This is the desktop version as we see now. Let's go to the mobile version. So this is the mobile version of the gym website. You can see perfectly aligned with the size of the website that we have, the screen size. And you know that it is very important that we are using the 100% width of the screen size that we have, so that we can be able to align all the elements perfectly. And it is very important that we should always have our website responsive, because it will gives us a very professional look to our website, that it can be able to be accessed in different mobile screen sizes. And it gives a very good efficiency to our users, that they can be able to access the website from any device that they have. It may be mobile, it may be tab, or it even may be a desktop laptop that they are using. You can see that perfectly by providing such a code, you will be able to grab more attention from your users, and it will be a very professional thing for your journey in the gym field. And I hope you loved this website, and the full tutorial will be added to our YouTube channel of explaining the line by line code. And if you want to build this project all by yourself, the source code is available in the description. And if you want to give me any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. And if you and definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing content. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.